आमचे बरोबर आयज हांगा आसात फावंडर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ फेनी असोसिएशन, गोवा फेनी असोसिएशनाचे बाब मेक वाज. आणि हे बऱ्यापैकी एक म्हणजे सोशल मायंडेड अशे मनीस. आणि आयज तांचो ह्या हो जो प्रोजेक्ट आसा, रेकॉर्ड जो आसा, वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड जाता हांगासर, काम फाटल्यान चालू आसा तें तुमी पळयता. मेक बाब, तुमी आज ह्या हो जो गोल्डन वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड आसा तातूंत तुमचो कसो इन्वॉल्वमेंट आसा?
मिलन भाई, पयलीं म्हटल्यार देव बरें करूं तुमी हांगा एज अ वेल विशर येयल्या म्हणून. हांव जल्मान म्हापशेकार, रोगटान शाश्टीकार, भुरगेपणान सालिगांवकार, काजार जातना पणजेकार आनी आतां बांबोलकार. एज युअर ऑडियन्स इज मेनली पॅन इंडिया, कोंकणी उलोवचो ना, इंग्लिशीन उलयता कित्याक तांकां कळचें ना. सेझर फेर्नांदीस was introduced to me by my Bosla Military School friend Mickey Mehta. He told me, "Don't you know Cesar Fernandez?" I said, "No, I don't know Cesar Fernandez." And then I realized Cesar Fernandez of Wooden Homes is a under the radar unsung entrepreneur of Goa. When I connected with him, I could understand that he was a good soul and a great businessman. It's very odd to find good men and good businessmen in today's India. So that motivated me to be my little catalyst or Nimit Matra Mandade, to be the wind below the wings of his enterprise in my little way. Wooden Homes India, when I saw how they work, I could see a Fauji emotion in their work style. Though they are without uniform, he and his team have been working amazingly clinically like the Faujis, and that's how they were able to attempt, and I'm sure they will succeed in this world record they are attempting today, for which the authorities from the Golden Book of World Records are also here. I just thought, as this convention is about builders, let us celebrate the biggest builders of our nation, the Indian Armed Forces, which is very close to my company. And we just thought that within this enclosure, within the building convention, we will display a trophy which was designed by Madhuri Baduri, an extraordinary artist from Maharashtra. This trophy is given to the Armed Forces Flag Day, funded by the Sainik Board and commissioned by our company, Madam Rosa Distillery. The trophy was bought from sales proceeds of our brand K47, which was produced to celebrate Operation Sindoor and our armed forces. So that's the connect of bringing the Fauji element and the Feni element. Anil Khauntebab wanted Feni to be showcased here, but for obvious reasons of sometimes hypocrisy in our system, where we do not get to celebrate our own Sanskar Feni, which is Swadeshi, which is Atmanirbhar, which is proudly made in India. But at this place we could not showcase our brand, so we just said, let us spotlight on the trophy which we dedicated to the armed forces. And as a well-wisher and a mutual well-wishers of each other, I told Cesar, let's attempt and do it at this event which Anil Bab brought to our attention. And here we go.
Since you are involved in this project, म्हणजे जो वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड जाता, हो वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड करपाची आयडिया जावं कशी काय तुमच्या हातूर आयली की सीजर बाबांच्या हातूर?
I always believe that to sell a product you need to be at the watering hole. वागाक मारपाक गेल्यार खंय वचपाचें? यू नीड टू गो तळ्या कडेन, बिकॉज तो थंय उदीक तळ्या कडेन पिवपाक येता. आतांच्या टायमार वागाक मारिना म्हण जाणा, So I suggested to Cesar, after Anil Counterbob told me about this convention, that you should also come here at this watering hole of the building community, where you'll get a lot of inquiries and potential customers in a small area. So that's how I suggested, and that's when Cesar Bab, I call him my east from the west, because he comes from Salset. He told me, let us create this world record. I said, chalo, with Josh and with the emotion of let's do it. He did it. Oh, Golden Book of World Records and त्यांचे representatives area, they have been flown down from Delhi. So I think you must also speak to them. And it's something to celebrate a unique brand, and also guerrilla market the product, which is a loose end of Wooden Homes India. Cesar is a very humble, under the radar. He wants his work to do the talking, which is doing great talking. But besides the work doing the talking, he should also be doing the talking to ensure that there are more people aware of his product. And as he's already a leading stakeholder in this industry, you put in a great idea of looking at his product for the armed forces. With my friends in the armed forces, I will position his brand, and you never know, the DRDO and other organizations which are involved in this could look at this product, and it could be a truly Viva Goa, Jai Hind moment for Wooden Homes India.
You will design a unique bottle, bulletproof.
Yes.
How you got that idea?
This, as we are a very Swadeshi, Deshbhakt company who always believes that we can do and match the West in everything. I always believe Feni, like Ayurveda and yoga, are our assets of our country. But we ourselves as Indians do not celebrate it. हम लोग अंग्रेजों की बहुत नकल करते हैं. We look up to everything which comes from the West. We have got our own assets which we need to celebrate, and in that journey of celebration, we thought of being the mashal holders of the Feni industry. So we have these two brands which Jaibab mentioned. One is K47. It is in the shape of a gun, and a bulletproof. These are products which were designed by my father, the bulletproof, and the K47 was conceptualized by my brother Cedric Vaz. We both work in tandem, and to celebrate Operation Sindoor and our armed forces. Unfortunately about this product, the Feni is gone, everything else is Indian, but the bottle has to be imported from China. I look forward to the day when the bottle also will have to be made in India. Like how Cesar is ensuring that we do not need to go to China to get this kind of products. He gives you a matching Chinese product, which is more cost effective, and there is a backup of follow-up in case of any loose ends. That's his USP.
तुम्ही आता म्हटलें की तुमकां चायनाच्यान बॉटल्स तुमकां हाडच्यो पडटा, जाल्यार तुमी स्वता इनिशिएटीव घेवन अशी फॅक्टरी कित्याक हें करिना, खंय तरी स्टार्ट करिना?
You're putting a lot of thoughts in everyone's ideas, minds. Cesarak to reach out to the armed forces घातली. Now this is a big project. आता भावाकडे उलोवन पळोवंक पडटलें, and it's a huge project to have a glass factory. But food for thought.
ना, कारण म्हणजे आमी पळयता की आमी चडशे जे आमचे प्रोडक्ट्स आसा, म्हणजे आमकां खंय तरी भायल्यांच्यान आमकां हाडचें पडटा, आनी आयज परिस्थिती अशी आसा की आमची जी प्रोडक्टिविटी आसा ती म्हणजे खूब खंय तरी हें जालें, आमचे कडेन हय फाटी पडटा. आमचे कडेन लोक आसा, मॅन पावर आसा सगळे, पूण आयडियाज खंय तरी त्यो इम्प्लिमेंट जायना. आयडियाज आसल्यो तरी जाल्यार त्यो इम्प्लिमेंट जायना. खंय तरी तुमच्या सारकिल्ले लोक मुखार येवन ते हें करपाक जाय, आमचे बूस्ट जावपाक जाय त्यो आयडियाज, आनी आमचो जो सबंद आमच्या देशाक जी गरज आसा ती गरज खंयच्यान तरी ती फुलफील जावपाक जाय. ते खातीर अश्यो समजा म्हणजे तुमच्या सारकिल्ले समजा जर अशे लोक मुखार आयले जाल्यार आमचे गोंयूच न्ही जाल्यार आनी गोंया खातीर आमकां एक ते प्रावड आसतलें की खंय तरी आमी इनिशिएटीव घेवन आमच्या देशाचो आमी खंय तरी फुलफिलमेंट हें करता अशें म्हणून. सो ते खातीर तुमचे कितें हें म्हणजे आयडियाज तुमचे कितें आसतले ते सांग.
Sarge, if you see in the recent geopolitic situation with India, we have seen those who we believed were our friends, like America, were friends of convenience. And in foreign policy, what works is you need to have a strong economy, you need to have a strong harmony amongst the people of the country, which is something we should aspire for. Just getting into optics of celebrating friendship with America doesn't work. China is respected because they are strong in economy and strong in unity. This is something we need to learn, because what America did to us after we did our tarif pe tarif of Donald Trump, we got tarif and tarif.
We got
Tariff and tariff. So these are things which we need to be conscious of. And Wooden Homes India are true soldiers of Swadeshihood, proudly made in India, which we can compete China and celebrate the spirit of brand India.
थँक्यू सो मच तुमकां. तुमी आज हांगासर म्हजे खातीर तुमी अवेलेबल जाले. ही म्हणजे म्हज्या मनांतले जे प्रश्न आशिल्ले जावं एक क्युरियोसिटी आशिल्ली की ह्या सगळ्या प्रोजेक्टा बद्दल जाणून घेवपाचें, पूण ते एक्झॅक्टली म्हाका मुखार रावून पळोवपाक जाय आशिल्लें की कितें कोण आसा हो मनीस आनी कितें काय म्हणून. सो आयज तुमी म्हजी ही इच्छा आसा ती फुलफील केली. तुमकां खूब खूब देव बरें करूं.
Milan bhai, Jai Hind, Viva Goa.
Viva Goa.
Viva Goa. Thank you. God bless.